This is Norway, a nation that has defied the odds, transforming its vast natural resources into a catalyst for prosperity. We'll be going through what makes Norway stand out in a world filled with economic challenges, and we'll also be covering some skeletons hiding in Norway's closet. From the start, the Norwegian people relied on the bounty of the sea. Fishing was their lifeline, but destiny had an extraordinary twist in store for them. It was the dawn of a new era when Norway's economy underwent a colossal transformation. Fishing gave way to the promise of untapped riches beneath the waves, the black gold that would reshape their destiny. In the early 1960s, whispers spread across the North Sea, hinting at the possibility of hidden oil reserves. Norway, with its resolute spirit, staked its claim and declared that any oil found off their coastline belonged to them. Oil companies, fueled by curiosity and a quest for wealth, flocked to Norwegian waters. One company, Phillips Petroleum, faced relentless setbacks. But in the face of adversity, they dared to dig deeper, defying all odds. And then it happened, a moment that would forever change Norway's fortunes. Oil erupted from the depths, an unexpected torrent of abundance that exceeded the wildest dreams. The dance of victory commenced as Norway's oil industry exploded with vitality. Thousands of jobs sprouted like wildflowers, breathing new life into a nation that had once relied on the bounty of the sea. The black gold fueled an economic revolution, transforming Norway from a fishing-based economy into an unstoppable force, attracting global attention and envy. But the Norwegian government, wise and visionary, had a different plan. They believed that the wealth of the nation should belong to every Norwegian, not just a select few. On a fateful day, June 14, 1972, the Norwegian parliament made history. They established Statoil, a state-owned oil company, and the Norwegian Petroleum Directorate, a watchful guardian of their newfound riches. With this audacious move, Norway seized control of its destiny, ensuring that the spoils of its oil discovery would benefit all its citizens. From that moment on, a river of prosperity flowed through the veins of Norway. Free education, top-tier healthcare, and a safety net that cradled its people became hallmarks of a society that dared to dream bigger. Education became the key that unlocked the potential of every Norwegian, empowering them to shape their own destinies and contribute to the nation's continued success. Meanwhile, a world-class healthcare system emerged, ensuring that every citizen could enjoy a longer, healthier, and happier life. But Norway's journey didn't end with oil. The nation understood that sustainability and securing its wealth for future generations were paramount. Harnessing the power of its natural beauty, Norway invested in renewable energy. Wind turbines danced in harmony with the wind, and hydroelectric power flowed like a symphony, ensuring a sustainable legacy for all. But a crisis struck that made Norway decide to establish the world's largest sovereign wealth fund. It was the 1980s, and oil prices were plunging, sending shockwaves through economies worldwide. Norway, however, didn't back down in the face of adversity. Instead, they transformed a crisis into an opportunity, uncovering a path to economic stability. The lesson learned was crystal clear. Putting all their eggs in one basket could have catastrophic consequences. Thus, in 1995, the Norwegian government gave birth to a financial guardian, the Sovereign Wealth Fund, also known as the Government Pension Fund of Norway. The Sovereign Wealth Fund became Norway's mighty sword, striking down the specter of economic instability. A beacon of hope amidst uncertainty, it marked a turning point for a nation with its sights set on a diversified future. But what sets Norway apart from other oil-rich nations? It all came down to one simple truth: saving for tomorrow rather than squandering today. While their oil-rich counterparts danced with prosperity, Norway took a different route. They chose to invest their oil revenues in the Sovereign Wealth Fund, paving the way for generations to come. It was a strategic masterstroke that secured their financial independence long after the oil wells ran dry. But Norway didn't stop there. They set their sights beyond their borders, seizing the world by storm. Unlike other state-owned investment funds, the Sovereign Wealth Fund is forbidden from investing domestically. Why, you ask? Well, they didn't want all their eggs in one basket. By diversifying their investments internationally, Norway shielded itself from potential economic downturns at home. Imagine Norway as a skilled juggler, balancing investments across the globe. They knew that diversity was the key to stability. So, they invested in the stock markets and financial institutions of countless countries, spreading their economic wings far and wide. Today, the Sovereign Wealth Fund stands as a testament to Norway's financial prowess, dwarfing its rivals with a staggering $1.36 trillion in assets. It's not just a financial behemoth, it's a game-changer. In fact, the fund owns a jaw-dropping 1.5% of all the world's listed companies. From technology titans to energy giants, Norway's fingerprints can be found on the most influential companies across the globe. They've become a powerhouse, reshaping the global financial landscape with their bold investments. Now, you might be thinking, what about the people of Norway? Do they get to reap the rewards? The answer lies within the realm of possibility. Norwegian law dictates that the government cannot withdraw funds directly from the Sovereign Wealth Fund. Only the returns, approximately 3% per year, are accessible. It's a safeguard, ensuring that the wealth remains a lasting legacy for the people of Norway. As of December 2021, the fund's value amounted to a mind-boggling $250,000 per Norwegian citizen. A staggering figure indeed, but hold your horses, it's not a cash bonanza. These funds are carefully invested in the financial market for the long term, enabling Norway to thrive without the crutch of oil. The Sovereign Wealth Fund is more than just numbers on a screen. It's Norway's passport to a prosperous future. It symbolizes resilience, innovation, and an unwavering commitment to securing the nation's destiny. While Norway has often been hailed as an economic paradise, even this land of prosperity faces its fair share of challenges. The oil age in Norway is gradually losing its spark. Norway finds itself at a crossroads, needing to chart a new course to secure its future. But fear not, for Norway is not one to shy away from challenges. This nation of pioneers is revolutionizing the very industries that define it. From extracting oil deep beneath the ocean floor to navigating the icy waters of the Arctic, Norway is breaking boundaries and setting new standards. The Norwegian coastline, a haven of abundant fish stocks and captivating landscapes. While the seafood industry is a pillar of Norway's economy, it also faces its own set of hurdles. The nation must balance the need for sustainable fishing practices with the growing demand for its ocean treasures. It's a delicate dance, but one that Norway is determined to master. While Norway has admirably weathered the storm of the 2020 pandemic, it must now navigate the ever-changing landscape of a post-pandemic world. Lower labor force participation and rising unemployment rates pose a challenge, but Norway's resilience and adaptability are sure to shine through. With a firm grip on its social welfare system, the country is poised to rebound stronger than ever. Not to forget that the winds of change are upon us. As Norway confronts the urgent need to address climate change, it walks the tightrope of balancing oil revenues with sustainable practices. It's a dance as old as time, but Norway's commitment to a greener future is unwavering. By harnessing the power of renewable energy and championing sustainable initiatives, Norway is leading the charge towards a more eco-conscious world. If you found Norway's economic success interesting to really improve your knowledge, watch this video about how Latin America continually fails to become economically successful.